You're pregnant. Mr. Wong, this child is my only family now. I want to apply for a leave of absence. I want to give birth to this child. Who's the father? Where is he? The male lead. It's so hot. Help me.
I'll take responsibility for you.
I slept with a total stranger.
Push harder. The baby's head is out. Keep pushing.
Twin boys. Ms. Song, amazing. Push harder.
There's another baby.
How many babies are there? Ow, no more. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my, Miss Song.
Congrats on having quadruplets. 4? 4 babies? "5 years ago, I had an unexpected pregnancy. I thought I gave birth to quadruplets, but it turned out to be twins." Nurse. Didn't I give birth to quadruplets?
Quadruplets?
You must have remembered wrong. You've always given birth to twins. Turns out, I was mistaken. I only had 2 babies. But it's all right. Having them.
I'm just as happy.
Joyful and
We're here at the...
let's get off.
What beautiful twins. This mom knows how to give birth.
Wow.
Such a beautiful baby, had twins. The parents must be happy.
Yeah.
Wow, sausages.
Hey kids, want one?
15 bucks each. That's a rip-off.
They're organic. Can't afford it? Don't look.
Chicken. I even have a duck. Darlings, let's stick to the usual.
Freebies are the main thing.
Good job.
Alright, Mommy. Aren't you going for an interview today? Hurry up, don't be late.
Darlings.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye. Just in time. Foo group. Let's go.
Mr. Fu is here. Team leader.
Mr. Fu is here.
Why running?
That's Mr. Fu. Ruthless and unflinching. Cross him, you're doomed. Mr. Fu.
This seems like
Flyer posted by Young Masters. 1 billion reward for a wife. And yen.
you two come out here.
The big boss is gonna kill his son.
I just wanted a mommy. Did I do wrong? Dad won't look for mom.
And then yen will look on their own.
You two, stop right there.
Get over here.
Trafficker. Watch how I deal with you.
Off you go.
It's a mess. That woman actually hit the CEO's head.
Trafficker, me?
Mr. Fu, are you okay?
Mr. Fu. Wow, Dad actually got beaten up.
Dad. Mr. Fu, sorry, I thought you were a human trafficker.
Get lost.
You blockhead, get up.
Mr. Fu, I'm really sorry.
Are you okay, Mr. Fu? Our cold-hearted boss, who usually ignores women, got flustered by a young girl.
Impressive.
Dad.
We found Mommy.
How can that idiot be your mommy? Go back and be grounded.
Let me go.
She's our mommy. Let me go.
Mommy.
What president? Calling me an idiot? You're the idiot. Your whole family's idiots. Except for those 2 kids. Poor kids, no mom. Oh no, I'm going to be late for my interview. Finally here. Ouch, ouch. Number 15, Song Shiran. Here.
Come in, please.
Song Shiran, you got this. Hello. Here's my resume.
Song Shiran.
It's you. Song Muyao. Sis.
How does it feel to sleep with a random stranger?
Song Muyao. You drugged me. I'm your sister.
Shut up. Your mom's gone. Now my mom is Mrs. Song. I'm the true heir of the Song family. You're about to be kicked out. Damn it. How did that woman end up at the Fu Corporation?
She struck gold years ago.
Mother of Fu Jingsheng's child, president of Fu Corporation. I paid to take away 2 boys. That's how I got close to the president. Now, I've finally climbed to this position. And I'm about to become Mrs. Fu. I will never let anyone block my way. Song Shiran. You have a high school diploma. What qualifications does someone have to join a group like the Fu family?
Your company's job requirements didn't specify that a high school diploma is not required. Manager Lee.
If President Fu knew that a high school student could get into the Fu group, I am afraid. It's hard to explain, isn't it?
Since that's the case, Miss Song, I'm sorry.
Did you hear me? Get your resume and get out of Fu's company right now.
You.
The HR department is hiring today.
Um,
Give the order. Let this pig's head stay.
oh yes. Ah,
What do you mean? Let her be my assistant. Start by mopping floors.
since when did Mr. Fu care about these things? Mr. Fu, you're wasting talent. The girl is so pretty, obviously smart. And you want her to mop floors.
What makes you think she's smart? She's as dumb as a pig. Floor cleaning suits her better. You handle it yourself.
Okay, I understand.
Manager Lee. During future interviews, you must keep your eyes open. Don't let any Tom, Dick, or Harry. They were all recruited into the group.
The company where you are. I don't want to go in yet.
Wait a minute, Miss Song. I just got notified that the CEO needs a cleaning assistant. 8,000 a month, meals, accommodation, benefits. Not sure.
If you're interested.
8,000? Absolutely, absolutely.
Manager Lee. How come I didn't know our company is short on cleaning staff?
This person is handpicked by Mr. 80's assistant.
Don't worry, manager. I'll work hard.
Miss Song, the president wants you in his office.
Oh, okay, I'll go right now.
Just a useless assistant. I have ways to get rid of you. Just wait and see.
This woman actually has a child. Why do I keep thinking I've seen her somewhere before?
Dad's not looking for mom, so Anen and Yin Yin will go themselves. Mr. Fu, Miss Song is here.
It's actually him.
Oh no, joined the company and offended the CEO. He's not going to make things difficult for me, is he?
I'm gonna leave now.
Okay. I heard. You have 2 kids, right? Do you know what a 6-year-old likes?
Mr. Fu asked these questions.
What does it mean?
Let go of me. She's our mommy.
Oh,
Is it that Mr. Fu thinks
his son is too naughty. So he wants to.
how my kids are?
Mr. Fu. I'm not bragging. My 2 daughters are not only really good looking but also very smart.
You pig-headed idiot. How smart can he be?
Sigh, you.
Mom,
Brat. Why did you upset my grandson again? I don't care, you hurry up and buy the gifts and come back to apologize to my grandsons.
You.
get to work immediately. Come with me.
Mr. Fu.
Attention all kids stores, send all the latest children's clothes to Mr. Fu's VIP room.
You'll take care of this, you'll handle that side.
Mr. Fu, these are all the new styles for 6-year-olds in the mall.
Wow, did you bring all the clothes from the mall?
Help me take a look. What should a 6-year-old wear?
Me? Oh. Six-year-olds are active. Pure cotton is best.
so just grab all cotton from the store.
Sure, Mr. Fu.
Mr. Fu might seem proud and aloof, but he's really thoughtful with kids. Wish my little one had a wealthy dad like that.
Also, wrap up these dresses too.
Sure, Mr. Fu.
Miss,
Mr. Fu treats you so well, really enviable. It's for me?
What else? Make my son wear girls' clothes? That's just ridiculously stupid.
thanks.
If this guy ever purses his lips one day, he might end up poisoning himself. But well, considering these clothes, I won't hold it against you. I'll put the stuff in the car first. Sigh.
Mr. Fu's clean. Don't touch anything in the car.
Oh. Wow. This car is so big and fancy. If someday, me and Juan riding a nice car would be great. But this Mr. Fu, seriously. He is cold and sharp-tongued. His car feels unwelcoming. No wonder the two kids grew up to be little tyrants. Always fighting against him. Watch me give his car a total makeover.
Assistant song, Mr. Fu on his way.
All right. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh no, gonna die here.
Mr. Fu hates it.
When someone touches his car.
What happened? What happened?
Surprise.
Mr. Fu.
You did this.
Oh dear.
No problem, it was easy.
End of assistant song.
It's likely.
He won't make it through today. Mr. Fu.
You're always so distant with them, that's why they try so hard to get your attention. They're just kids after all. Fatherly love should be more genuine, more open, so they can feel it.
With all this effort, you'd be better off teaching them something useful.
Sigh. Mr. Fu.
That's where you're wrong. Learning knowledge is important, but learning to love is more crucial. Mr. Fu.
Is it me who's gone mad? Or has the world gone? I can't believe I'm seeing a junior employee lecturing our icy big boss.
Mr. Fu, I'll go answer a call.
Hey, in half a year.
Over 30 assistants have changed.
Mr.
Is insanely difficult to serve.
You're always so cold to them. Try to be sincere and a bit more expressive with your paternal care.
Mr. Fu.
Is this assistant song going to be let go too?
No need. I just think switching back and forth is too much hassle.
Got it, Mr. Fu. I won't overthink it. Yeah, right.
It's only been a few days.
Mr. Fu's broken his rules for Song Shuran many times. Seems like from now on, Song Shuran needs special treatment.
Mr. Fu, tomorrow is Mother's Day. My kids want to celebrate with me. Can I take a day off?
No. Bring them to the office. The company can afford their meals.
Really? Assistant song.
Your baby is adorable. I have peanut cookies. Give them to the kids?
Thanks. My kids are allergic to peanuts. They can't eat them.
I ordered kids' meals with burgers. We can give them later.
Thanks.
Peanut allergy, huh? Then I'll just let her have as much as she wants.
Mom, my sister and I feel a little unwell.
Why do you have a rash on your faces? Did you eat peanuts?
No, we just had the burgers that pretty lady gave us.
Song Shiran. This is a company. Who allowed you to bring the kids here? Kids like these born with a mom
But no dad to teach them. Bringing them here
is utterly embarrassing.
My child is not a poor thing.
I've seen your job application. Pregnant before marriage. A woman like you with no morals. Slept with a random guy. And had this poor kid.
Shut your mouth.
Mr. Fu.
Song Shuran brought her daughter to work.
Yeah, and Assistant Song's 2 daughters are super cute. Everyone at work likes them. Hey. What? Assistant Song's in trouble.
What kind of trouble?
Her daughters are allergic to peanut butter. And she argued with a colleague.
Her kids are like me, allergic to peanut butter.
Dad, we found Mommy.
She's our mommy.
Come with me.
Mom,
Don't be scared. I'll take you to the hospital.
Did I say you could leave? You think this your place? Come and go as you please?
Mr. Fu said bring the kids.
Mr. Fu. Song Shiran. Why don't you take a good look at yourself? I can see right through you. You're trying to seduce Mr. Fu. Dreaming that your child can help you rise to the top overnight. Become Mr. Fu's daughter, right?
I don't suck up to people. You keep putting me down. Looking down on working mothers. Aren't you born by a mother?
Song Shiran. How dare you insult me?
don't bully my mom.
You poor things, how dare you push me? Since your mom didn't teach you right. Let me teach you how to behave.
Juan, Lele.
Mommy,
Juan,
Lele, Mommy.
Song Muyao.
let go of my child. Juan, Lele.
Mommy,
Don't move.
Help me, Mommy.
Mommy,
Get inside.
Lele, let go of me.
Juan, Lele.
Mommy,
Mommy will find a way to save you.
Mommy.
Song Shiran.
Why hurry?
Kids who don't listen should be grounded.
Working moms have it tough. Yet you insist on causing trouble.
Take kids home and raise them.
What kind of work do I do at the company?
Song Muyao. Open the door. If you have a problem, face me. Don't touch my daughter.
So pitiful.
Mommy.
Oh well.
Mommy.
I'm sorry. Locked.
Song Muyao. You beast.
Happy.
Don't be scared.
you guys breathe slowly.
Make sure to adjust your breathing.
Happy.
You too, control her now.
Song Muyao, daughter has an allergic reaction. If we don't get her to the hospital, she's going to suffocate.
Just 2 pitiful kids.
If they end up dead.
That's their bad luck.
Song Muyao. If anything happens to my daughter, I'll make you pay with your life.
Stop it! Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
Mr. Fu,
Please, I'm begging you, my kids.
Juan, Lele, Juan.
Don't scare mommy.
This is allergy medicine. It might help.
Thank you, President Fu.
It's just a little whim. Is it that serious? An allergy? I think she's just trying to get President Fu's attention. You're faking it, right?
How dare you call my child a bastard? How dare you lock my child up?
Song Shiran, how dare you hit me?
You're exactly who I'm hitting. Let me tell you. My child's allergic reaction and fainting are tied to you. Even if I die, I'll drag you down with me.
I didn't do it. How can you accuse me?
We'll find out the truth. Ate.
It's Mr. Fu.
Mr. Fu,
Please let me.
Song Muyao, who do you think you are? How dare you harm my assistant? From now on, you're fired. Now get out.
Now I have 2 darling grandsons.
But my son
Still needs a wife.
Grandma.
Grandma,
We found Mommy.
What did you say?
Grandma,
A few days ago, my brother and I
We're at the company entrance.
saw a woman.
She's our mommy.
we took her hair for a paternity test. Here's our test report.
That's great. My son finally has a wife.
We have a mommy now.
Grandma will take you to the office. Let's go find your mommy.
Why is Juan Juan not awake?
Let's go to the hospital first.
Madam,
Why are you and the young masters here?
To see my daughter-in-law. Your president's wife. She's an employee here named Song. Song.
Could it be Song Muyao? She had a one-night stand with the president. Wasn't it 5 years ago when she showed up with 2 kids? Why not say the child is yours? She's your daughter-in-law.
Madam,
Well, you're late. Mr. Fu ordered dismissal.
Fired? Sweetheart, looks like you won't see your mommy today. Come on, let's go home with Grandma. Grandma will figure something out.
Why do I feel so familiar with these 2 kids? Could it be? Is she the woman from that night?
Glad Juan Juan and Lele are fine. Mr. Fu, thank you.
I remember the woman back then had a birthmark on her right shoulder.
Mr. Fu, what are you looking at?
I just know this fool. Can't be the woman from that night. Follow me.
Where to?
Change shabby clothes. So people won't say I mistreat my assistant.
look, look, he's so handsome.
Find an outfit for her to change into.
Sure, this way please.
Mr. Fu, maybe we should forget it. These clothes are too expensive, I can't afford them.
Who said you pay? Spread the word. Secretary can't afford clothes. Do you want Fu Corporation to lose face? Just this one.
Is anyone here? Stuck with this zipper. Can anyone help me? Zipper is stuck. Can you help me out?
You guys. Who?
Mr. Fu. Why is it you?
It's because you were yelling and shouting here. Turn around.
No way, the big boss helping me with my zipper? I don't deserve this.
Oh, it's here.
Mr. Fu said he'd be at the mall, but I can't find him.
Tai. What are you doing here? Where's Mr. Fu? Ah.
Mr. Fu. Take it easy. You're hurting me.
Stand still.
Don't move.
I got caught.
What? Isn't Mr. Fu the abstinent type?
How come he's with a woman in the fitting room? I want to see who's in there. Daring to seduce Mr. Fu in broad daylight.
You can't go in.
Let go.
You can't go in.
Let go.
You can't go in.
You jerk.
You seducing Mr. Fu.
Watch me beat you.
That's enough. I don't want to see you anymore. Someone.
Take her away.
Let go of me. He looked pretty cool protecting me back there.
Hey. Hello, ma'am.
Your daughters are awake.
I'll go right now.
I'll have Artie give you a ride.
I don't want that Fu Jingsheng sending me.
What if Wan Wan and Lele misunderstand?
They'll start asking me to find them a daddy. Mr. Fu, Artie should stay with you. I'm leaving now. I have something to do, gotta go.
Son,
What's going on with you? The bodyguard said you were here hugging another woman. I didn't believe it. I'm telling you. I've already picked a daughter-in-law for you.
Dad,
we've already found Mom.
you can't like another woman.
Mom, don't worry about stuff. Ate, escort the lady.
And the young master's back.
Got it.
I'm telling you. I've really found the woman you hooked up with. This time it's for real. Really.
Song Shiran. Organize files. Boss Fu needs them.
Song Muyao. Why are you here? Didn't Mr. Fu fire you?
Mr. Fu wouldn't fire me.
Damn it.
I just leaked a bit about the one-night stand years ago, and Fu Jingsheng kept me around. Get rid of Song Shiran before Fu Jingsheng finds out. Eliminate the threat. Hurry, get moving. Mr. Fu's client arrives soon. It's a major client from Russia.
Song Muyao. What are you doing?
Of course, I'm framing you before Mr. Fu comes in.
Sorry, Mr. Leviticus didn't mean to bump into you.
What happened here?
Song Shiran.
Mr. Fu was with important clients, yet you messed up the files. Mr. Fu.
Song Shiran.
You can't handle a small task. I think we should just fire her early on.
Mr. Fu, it's not me.
Song Muyao, I'm letting you keep your job, but behave yourself. Or else.
Mr. Fu.
Mr. Fu.
Let's show Mr. Lev inside first. There's business to discuss.
Organize the documents and bring in some tea.
Okay.
Please.
Hey. He just believed me for no reason. Is this still the Fu Jingsheng I know?
What?
Let's start.
Mr. Fu from Fu Group, our company's translator had an accident and can't make it today.
This one.
Not this one.
Pack up the rest.
Okay, Mr. Fu.
So many. He pretends to dislike the kids' mischief. But he spoils them more than the grandma does. This is so expensive.
Someone, wrap up these dresses.
Yes, Mr. Fu. Miss.
Mr. Fu is so good to you, it's enviable. For me.
Otherwise, let my son wear a dress. Are you saying there's no translator for such an important occasion today?
Yes.
Then how am I supposed to discuss business with them?
Mr. Fu.
Song Shuren's resume lists a professional Russian proficiency certificate, and you just saw that her Russian is on par with professionals.
No way. I must stop Song Shiran, that vixen. We can't let her outshine you in front of Mr. Fu.
Mr. Liu, please hold on. Supervisor Song. Where are you taking Secretary Song?
Assistant Tai.
Secretary Song, come quickly, Mr. Fu needs your help. Today's meeting is important. Take this seriously.
Where to?
Enough talking.
Damn it. Song Shiran steals the show again. Mr. Lev, please wait.
Sorry, Mr. Lev.
Our food group has prepared some Russian-style tea. Would you like to try it? Give us the chance. Hello, Mr. Leviticus. I'm Som Shiran, the translator for this meeting. For this meeting.
Mr. Lev. Nice working with you.
Mr. Fu, is this lady your assistant? She's impressive, both in looks and character. Her professionalism is top-notch too.
Mr. Lev asked if I'm your personal assistant. Praised my skills and said I look good.
Did he really say that? Yes, she is my personal assistant. Mr. Lev, I'll see you out.
Mr. Lev, this way, please.
Please.
Almost forgot, Zhou Yi's at Fu Group too. Song Shiran loved her fiancé like crazy back then. As soon as he's back, she might rekindle things with him. Then Mr. Fu will be mine. Hey, Zhou Yi. Got some good news. Song Shiran is at Fu Group now.
Mommy. Have you missed us? We've missed you so much. Hey Mommy. Does your company have any handsome uncles to be our daddy? Mommy misses you too. But my company doesn't have handsome uncles. Just the big boss. He can't be your daddy. Fu Jingsheng is the bossy CEO at work. Calling him a big boss isn't unfair. But he is actually quite handsome.
I'll tell you later. Secretary Song. Is there something on my face?
No. Your face is flawless. Perfect.
Good to hear. This time, you help the company land a project. I can grant you one request. Go ahead. What do you want?
Really? So can I ask? For a promotion and raise now.
Of course. What do you want? I can get it for you.
Boss Fu. I want a promotion and raise for happy and joy, better living conditions that should be within company policy, right?
Such a great opportunity, and that's her only request. Okay. I'll have Atai do it right away. Since you're now my secretary. So, your desk is over there.
Oh, I Oh. I heard Fu Jingsheng is a workaholic. Never leaves the office on time. As his direct subordinate. How to get off work on time. To be with my two darling daughters?
Other women would be thrilled to work in the same office as me. Yet, she's so gloomy. Playing hard to get.
Mr. Fu. Getting secretary song for the award event.
Okay.
Let's go, secretary song. You're the last one.
That's right.
Oh.
Everyone, quiet down. Today, Assistant Song made a huge contribution to our company. Closed a 500 million deal for us. So, the company has decided to give a 50,000 bonus. Let's give a round of applause.
Joey. Why is he here too? Thanks to group for reward. From now on, I'll keep working hard with everyone for shared progress and success.
All right.
That concludes today's meeting. Thank you.
Shuren. Wait a minute.
Do you need something?
Long time no see, Shuren. Don't you remember me?
The pregnancy was unexpected. I was set up.
Get lost.
You make me sick. Break up. We're breaking up.
But we've broken up. Does it even matter if I remember? Move aside.
Wait a minute. Shuren. I've been thinking about you all these years. Heard you're single. Can you give me another chance?
Song Shiran, you really know how to act seductive. Joey just came back from a trip. And you're already cozying up.
Zhang Dahuai, get out of the way. Nothing between us anymore. Zhang Dahuai, Song Muyao, watch words.
Or I'll sue you for slander at the conference. The conference. Song Shiran, you think helping the company makes you so great? You're still just a cute girl who got taken by some random guy.
Shut up, Song Muyao. Don't let me catch you doing wrong, or you'll regret it.
This song Shiran.
Should earning money bring happiness?
Why does she seem so forlorn?
Huan wanted to know.
Who her biological father was.
But I just can't find that man. Am I a failure as a mother?
That foolish woman is actually crying. Because of Song Muya's targeting? Is it still because of Joey?
Doesn't matter, no matter what, I'll try my best.
To give my child the best.
Song Shiran.
Mr. Fu,
Why does this feel so much like that woman from 5 years ago?
Oh no. I actually kissed Mr. Fu again. Sorry, Mr. Fu. All right?
Looks like you really are a blockhead. I can barely stand.
You suddenly stood behind me. Gave me a scare.
I was just worried.
Worried about me?
I was worried you took the company's bonus. Instead of working, came here to slack off.
I'm serious and responsible with work.
You sure talk sharp. Looks like you're perfectly fine. Just go back to work then. You.
Fussy Fu. Anyway, When this guy saved me earlier, he actually looked kinda handsome.
Mommy.
Juan, Lele.
Mommy.
Coincidence. At this kindergarten too?
Mommy, do you know them?
They are
our best friends in kindergarten. Their nicknames are Anan and Yen Yen.
Wrong person. I'm not your mommy.
Mommy, Grandma said you're our mommy. There's no mistake.
Mommy.
Anan and Yen Yen don't seem to have a mommy. Just let them call you mommy.
Such little kids without a mom. No wonder they crave motherly love. Alright, why don't you call me mommy, just like happy and joyful? Oh, why didn't Grandma come?
Grandma went for a spa day with her old friends. Daddy is picking us up. He's on his way. Look, it's Daddy's car.
Looks like Fu Jingsheng listened to me. He's proactively picking up the kids from school. But why do these 4 kids look a bit alike? Wait, could Fu Jingsheng
be that man from 5 years ago?
Cute kids always look alike. How could that man be Fu Jingsheng? I must be overthinking this. Since your dad's here to pick you up, we'll get going now. Let's go, Juan, Lele.
Why does this woman feel so familiar?
Daddy!
Song Shuran, major contract to sign today. CEO Secretary. You better hurry up.
Song Muyao. You came at the perfect time. Back then, you drugged me and made me sleep with a stranger. Tell me, who was that man? Is he connected with the Fu group?
You must be paranoid. How would I know who that random guy was? Hurry up and go. Why did Song Shuran suddenly ask? Could it be that she suspects Mr. Fu? Looks like I need to act fast
and take care of this issue. Don't interrupt. You're trying to trick me into leaving again, unless Atai gets me.
I'm not going anywhere.
Secretary Song, there's actually a project here that needs you to handle in person. I really can't make it myself.
Okay, I'm heading out now.
Song Shuran. Let's see if you can still laugh later. Mr. Yang, I've sent someone to meet with you to sign the contract. She's definitely a beauty, you'll like her for sure. Problem with this contact person?
Discussing an important contract. And they decided to meet at a bar?
You're Song Shuran.
Where's Song Shuran? Hey.
Has Secretary Song not come back? Contract assigned today. Meeting with Mr. Yang. Weird, why isn't she back yet?
Find out where she is.
Oh, sure. Hello? Where's Secretary Song? What? Found it, Mr. Fu. Secretary Song went to bar with Mr. Yang.
What?
You're Mr. Yang.
Yes. Come, take a seat quickly. Let's drink first, then talk business.
I don't drink.
Why not? Don't embarrass me. I advise you not to ask for trouble. Drink.
I need to get out of here. Mr. Young, colleagues are coming. You better be careful.
Hey,
What's wrong?
you're lucky I like you. Still want to leave? Tell you. Someone has already sold you to me tonight. You can't leave, ha ha ha.
Stay away from me. President Fu, how did you get here?
You are injured. He touched you inappropriately.
Fu, gentleman.
No need for trouble.
Mr. Fu,
Mr. Fu? Mr. Fu?
I was wrong, Mr. Fu. I made a mistake.
Mess with my people.
You'll pay the price.
Mr. Fu, I didn't know she was your choice. Please spare me, Mr. Fu, Mr. Fu,
His hand is definitely ruined.
Take him away.
Mr. Fu. I didn't touch her. Spare me, please.
Take care of them too.
Mr. Fu, spare me, Mr. Fu.
You scared now?
What do I have to be scared of? Besides, are you saving me? He looks quite handsome like this.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Damn it. Didn't work again. Song Shuran, you're lucky. Just you wait.
It's so hot. Why is it so suddenly hot? So comfy.
Song Shuran, get a grip. Won't take advantage of you. I'm taking you to the hospital now.
She's been drugged. I've neutralized it. She should wake up soon. She just needs rest to recover.
Got it. Thanks a lot.
Mr. Fu, you're too kind. I'll head out now.
This idiot. Sleeping so soundly. You look pretty well behaved.
You rogue. What are you trying to do to me? Hey! Mr. Fu. Why are you suddenly so close to me? Where is this?
It's a hospital.
Oh,
Song Shuran. Is that how you treat your savior?
sorry, Mr. Fu. I didn't mean to. Mr. Fu, you're bleeding. Hey, Mr. Fu. I'll call a doctor right away. Hello? Assistant Atai, come quickly. Mr. Fu, he's hurt. Mr.
It's been taken care of.
Okay.
I'll head down then.
Song Shiran.
The doctor already bandaged me up before you showed up.
I'm sorry, miss. I really didn't mean to. Please forgive me.
Well, since that's the case, while my wound hasn't healed yet, you'll take care of my daily needs, alright?
Oh, okay.
That's more like it. I'm hungry.
Oh. Mr. Fu, this is wonton I made for you myself, still warm. Please, give it a try.
This taste is pretty good.
Glad you like it.
Shuran. What's up?
It's my period. I'll be fine after resting a bit.
Period? Hold on. Hello? Ate. Bring some women's necessities to the hospital, along with ginger red tea and painkillers.
How do you know so much about this?
Well, it's because my mom taught me as a kid. She also made me take care of her.
I never expected Fu Jingsheng to be so gentle and considerate. He seems like a good man. But why is he being so nice to me? Could it be?
Mr. Fu, items are here.
I brought it here.
And madam, I heard you got hurt. She's on her way now.
Who told madam about this? Who asked you to interfere?
It was me. Don't blame him. Oh no, haven't contacted Huan and Lele in ages. They must be worried by now. Mr. Fu, thanks to Atai, I have errands to run.
Hey. Song Shuran.
Oh. Son, you're hurt. Lie down and rest.
Dad, are you okay?
Dad's fine. Mom. What brings you here?
Madam, don't worry. Mr. Fu only has a minor injury. And it's because the person he likes got hurt. He's probably secretly happy.
What? Like someone?
Mom, it's not true. Don't listen to him. Likes. So, why I focused on Pighead lately?
Is because I like her?
Son, don't play dumb with me. I'll have you know, I already found you a wife. You're not allowed to like anyone else.
Yeah, Daddy, you belong to Mommy. You can't like anyone else.
Yeah, Daddy can only be with Mommy.
Grown-up stuff. Kids shouldn't interfere. Mom.
It's getting dark.
You should take them back home now. Escort young master and madam home.
Yes.
Come on, go with Grandma.
Bye-bye.
Why do I keep thinking about Fu Jingsheng lately? Did I really fall for Fu Jingsheng? No way. There's no chance between us. My goal is to make money and raise kids. Men would only slow me down. But I have to admit, Fu Jingsheng does have some charm.
The water's already full. Hey, what are you blanking out for?
Mr. Fu, what would you like to drink? I'll get it for you right away.
Today. You've been avoiding me all day. What? Am I really that scary to you?
No, Mr. Fu, I've always respected you. Why would I hide from you?
Don't move. Then tell me. How do you show respect to me?
How would I know how to show respect?
Mr. Fu, I have work tomorrow. Can you let me go?
Why so nervous? I was just grabbing something. Teasing this pighead is pretty fun. Maybe Artie was right. I think I really like her.
This can't go on. Need to stay away from Fu Jingsheng. I can't let a man slow down my money-making pace.
Mommy! Oh, it's you guys.
Yeah, Mommy. We missed you, so we snuck over to see you. Did you miss us?
Kids really do need their mommy around. But the way these two are acting all clingy. They remind me so much of my daughter. Could Fu Jingsheng actually be that man?
Of course, Mommy misses you a lot too. But isn't this supposed to be your time at kindergarten? Did you sneak out?
Mommy, you're so smart. Don't let Daddy know, or he'll definitely scold us.
Don't worry, Mommy will keep your secret.
Since Song Muyao isn't telling me about that man's identity, I'll find out myself.
Hello, Mr. Fu. Let's play a game, Mommy and you.
In a bit.
Hide in the closet. Stay hidden for 60 seconds to win and get a treat, okay?
All right, all right. Let's go.
What are you standing there for? Come with me already.
Mr. Fu, Oh, Mr. Fu, my period hasn't ended yet. My stomach hurts. Can I take a half day off?
Still not better? Painkillers didn't work? I'll ask Tai to bring more.
No, no need. It's fine. It's a small issue, no need to bother Assistant Tai. I need rest, I'll be fine. Just a break, Mr. Fu. Could you be so kind? And approve a day off?
Alright, take good care of yourself. Don't worry about the company matters.
Thank you, Mr. Fu. You go ahead, I'll rest a bit and then I'll leave. Game 1.
You can come out now.
You guys won. Go, pick up Huan Huan and Lele, then grab food.
Yay! Let's go. Hey, kiddos.
Tell me what you want to eat, I'll make it happen, okay?
Thanks, Mommy.
Let's go.
Song Sharan. Are all these your kids? Poor people shouldn't have so many kids. Being with you is just suffering.
Feng Yingying. Why are you here?
Song Sharan. Back then, you dropped out of college to mess around with others. Mu Yao's best friend.
I couldn't stand it and
You've really embarrassed the Song family.
what's it got to do with you? We're not close, are we? Move aside.
What? Afraid of the shame now?
Wanna run?
Look at you, begging me, and I'll take you to Pizza Hut. Don't bully Mommy.
Quick, call Grandma. Someone's bullying Mommy. Grandma, hurry, someone's bullying Mommy. I'll send you the location.
No need, Anan. I can handle myself. Mommy's fine.
Don't worry, we're here. We won't let anyone bully you.
Mommy, Grandma is tough. This bad classmate will definitely be taught a lesson by her.
I've seen Anan and Yan Yan's grandma, and lots of tough bodyguards too.
Bet getting hit by them really hurts. Song Shuran, is this the kid you raised? Talking big without worrying about biting her own tongue.
Just like you.
A snobbish fool. No wonder the Song family and Mu Yao don't like you.
Shut up. Stop talking about my mommy.
Watch out, my grandma might come after you.
Do you think your grandma is Mrs. Fu, the one who can control everything in Jing City? Mess with me again, and I'll deal with you myself.
Who are you going to deal with? Who are you going to deal with?
Who are you? Stop pretending. None of your business. Step aside.
I'm the Madam Fu you're talking about. What's wrong? Bully daughter-in-law and grandson. And I can't intervene?
Impossible. Song Shuran messed around back then, got pregnant before marriage, such a shameless person. How could she possibly be the Fu family's daughter-in-law?
Shut up. Who gave you the guts to slander the Fu family here?
How dare you hit me? Song Shuran. How dare you get someone to hit me? Mu Yao was right. Not only are you adorable, but your kids are adorable too.
Shut up. Insult me, but leave the kids out. Where are your manners?
You dare hit me too. Just wait. I won't let you get away with this. Hello, Mu Yao. Help me. I ran into Song Shuran at the mall with 4 kids and Mrs. Fu from the Fu group. They were all bullying me together.
Daughter-in-law, I've finally found you. Come home with me. My son will be so excited to see you.
Mrs. Fu. I'm not your daughter-in-law.
No, you are my daughter-in-law.
Mrs. Fu. Thank you for helping me, though you got it wrong. Anyway, since you're here to pick up Anan and Yen Yen, we'll be heading back now.
Why would Song Shuran be with my mom? Is she the one mom talked about as the daughter-in-law?
Maybe I was mistaken about Mr. Fu.
It's nothing, let's go.
Don't run too fast.
Those 2 kids, are they yours? They're adorable. I never expected. You gave our family 2 granddaughters. You must have gone through a lot.
Auntie. What do you mean by that?
Even if I told you, you wouldn't believe it. Here. Look at this to understand.
This is a paternity test report.
Mommy, it's the paternity test for you, me, and Yan Yan.
Didn't I give birth to quadruplets?
Quadruplets? Remembered wrong.
Anan and Yen Yen are actually my children. Wasn't it Mr. Fu who was with me that night?
Mommy, I finally found you. I'm not a child without a mommy anymore.
No wonder I felt so familiar when I first saw these 2 kids. Anan and Yen Yen. I'm sorry. It was Mommy's fault for losing you.
It's not Mommy's fault. As long as we have you, it's enough.
Hello? Son. I found your wife for you. If you still see me as your mom, then right now, immediately. Come and meet my daughter-in-law. My daughter-in-law, my son here. He's busy with work all day. Won't bother finding a wife. He'll be here later. I'll scold him for you.
You mean Mr. Fu is coming later?
Yes, that's right. From now on, you're officially the wife of the president of the Fu group. As long as I'm here, no one can bully you.
Fu Jingsheng never valued me. Why would he marry me? He's so overbearing. If he finds out Huan Huan and Lei Lei are his daughters, he might try to take them away. We can't let him know.
Don't worry, Mommy. Daddy just looks a bit fierce.
He's actually really kind.
He'll definitely love you a lot.
Yay.
Now we have Daddy, Grandma, and a big brother too.
The kids are so sweet and thoughtful.
There's a gap between my background and Fu Jingsheng's.
Even if we end up together, it wouldn't work out well.
Auntie, could you please not tell Mr. Fu that I'm the child's mother? I'm not ready yet.
All right. I'll follow your wishes. By the way, I'll take this opportunity to remind that brat to stop liking someone else. He should focus on making amends with my daughter-in-law. This card has 50 million in it. It's your pocket money, take it.
50 million?
That's too much, I can't accept it.
You gave the Fu family 4 little treasures. You deserve it. Take it. Looks like.
I'll have to figure out how to pay it back next time.
Ying was right after all. Song Shiran actually found the child. No way. I need to quickly come up with a plan to get her away from Mr. Fu.
Grandma, can I stay with Mommy today? Please.
Me too.
But your mommy still has work to do.
It's all right, Auntie. I took leave. Actually, I wanted to spend more time with the kid too.
All right. We'll go with what you want.
Then today.
Let the kid stay to play. Someone will pick him up later.
Okay.
Yay, Grandma's the best. Mommy, where are we going to play today?
Mommy, I want to go to the amusement park.
Mommy, me too.
All right, today I'll take you both to the amusement park, okay?
Yay!
Amusement park. It's crowded and chaotic there. If something happens to the kids. Let's see if Fu Jingsheng still backs Song Shiran. Hello? I need you to do something for me.
Kids, happy today?
Yes, happy.
Mommy's happy too. But it's already late now. Anne,
Yan,
it's time to head back.
If I could stay with Mommy.
till late.
Mommy surely wouldn't.
Take Yin and me back.
Mommy, my stomach hurts. I need the bathroom.
Mommy, me too.
Mommy, we want to go too.
All right, go ahead. Mommy will wait by the restroom door. Take it slow.
Here's our chance, go.
Let me go.
Why is it delayed? Kids aren't out yet.
Did something happen?
Huan Huan, Lei Lei. Ainen. Yen. No way. The child is missing. Hello, madam. Child is missing.
What? Where are you? I'll send someone.
At the amusement park near outskirts. Madam, please come quickly.
My child.
Huan. Excuse me, have you seen my child?
No.
Have you seen my child? Have you seen my child?
No.
Take a look at this photo. Huan.
Hey, Mom.
Son, it's bad. Kids are missing.
What? I'll send someone immediately to look. Mobilize forces from the Fu group. Locate the young masters now.
Yes, President Fu.
Song Shiran. You managed to find this place.
Song Muyao. Why are you here? Was this your doing? Where did you hide my child?
What child? What's that to me?
Stop denying it. Song Muyao. I found my 2 children, back then. You stole my kids. And gave them to Fu Jingsheng. If anything happens to my child, I won't let you off.
Your child. Song Shiran, without me. Do you really think you could have had the chance to carry Mr. Fu's child?
Song Muyao. So you ruined my relationship with Fu Jingsheng. You destroyed my entire life.
Don't act innocent after taking advantage. Song Shiran, not just anyone can sleep with Mr. Fu. Getting involved with him. That's your luck.
This blessing is for you. Do you want it?
Song Shiran,
How dare you hit me?
this time. You'll never find your child again.
You. This is Huan's hairpin. Could my child be inside?
Mommy, run. Let Daddy save us.
Anan, Yen Yen, joyful.
Someone came to die. And it's a little girl. Perfect timing. We've been busy all day. Let's have some fun first.
Mommy, don't you dare touch my mommy.
What are you trying to do?
Mommy, let go of my mommy. Don't touch her.
Stop! See who dares to touch her.
Dad.
Save them!
What are you doing? What's going on?
Are you all okay? Investigate. Find who's behind them. Take them all to the police station. Song Shiran, are you okay?
Finally. Safe at last.
Our daddy is really handsome.
Such a shame. We just promised mommy.
We can't reunite with him yet.
My dear grandkids, are you okay?
Grandma, we're fine. It's just mom.
Anan, Yin Yin, you too. Why call her mommy? Could these be Song Shiran's kids? Didn't she say her child was lost?
What's wrong with calling her mommy? It shows the kids like her, even I see her as a daughter-in-law. Since Shuran doesn't want to admit her identity, I'll cover for her.
Daddy, I want her to be our mommy.
Didn't expect the kids would like her as much as I do. This blockhead really does have some skills. Maybe she really can be the kids' mommy.
Mommy, you're awake.
Oh no, has Fu Jingsheng figured out I'm the kid's mom?
Thanks for saving my kids today. But don't read too much into it. They've been without a mom since young, that's why they called you mommy.
Looks like the old lady covered for me. Thank goodness I wasn't exposed.
Yeah, I understand.
Daddy, mommy saved us tonight.
Everyone's very grateful.
Let's stay with mom for a few days and take care of her.
You need to ask her though.
Sure, I really like them too.
Yay!
I can go too. But you guys go out first. I need to talk to Mom.
Okay, we're leaving.
Let's go.
Song Shuran. We both have kids. Since the kids like you so much, then would you be willing?
Fu Jingsheng, are you wanting me to be the CEO's wife of Fu Company? No, Mr. Fu.
Even though
The kids and I like each other, our statuses don't fit. We can't be together. Plus, I don't like you.
You're rejecting me. What are you thinking? I just wanted to ask if you want a part-time job. As a babysitter for the kids. I never thought about marrying you. But since you said you'd look after the kids for a few days, I hope you take responsibility.
Oh, I see. I misunderstood you.
That woman actually dared to refuse me. Mr. Fu.
Those traffickers, I've already sent them to prison, but they're not willing to name their boss. I'm afraid. They've been threatened and blackmailed.
Keep investigating for me.
Yes.
Anan, Yin, listen to Auntie these 2 days. I can bring you back.
Got it. Thanks, Daddy.
Go on.
Yay, finally I can be with mommy all the time.
Yeah, and with Mommy,
We can sleep together.
Mommy,
Can we sleep together tonight?
Okay, sure. We'll sleep together tonight, and tomorrow I'll take a day off. Take you out to play?
Yay! 4 kids.
It's such a joy to be with the kids. I must find a way to get them back. Let them live well.
Song Shuran took leave again.
It's President Fu.
Maybe I scared her with my bluntness yesterday.
Shuran. Are you off today?
I know a highly rated restaurant.
How
about we go for dinner together?
Shou-Yi and Song Shuran. What's the relationship?
Shou-Yi was Secretary Song's fiancée before. Secretary Song seemed to really like him back then.
Like him? The company. Hasn't it been a while since we've had a dinner? Announce it, team building tonight. Everyone must be there.
Yes.
Song Shuran, it's not that easy to have dinner alone with another man.
Alright, today we especially thank President Fu for bringing us to this gathering. Let's all raise a toast to President Fu. To President Fu. Thanks for the toast.
Silence.
The 4 I gave birth to are adorable. I absolutely can't let go. I'm the kids' favorite. If only Fu Jingsheng would back off.
Song Shuran. Drink less.
Then save some.
I interrupted her dinner with Joey. She was so unhappy.
Have another drink. For courage.
We still need to chase the strong things we once wanted.
What's going on with you all of a sudden? Mr. Fu.
Tell me. I'll help you sort it out.
If Anan and Yinyan's mom suddenly finds you and says she wants to take care of them herself, what will you do?
Is it because of this?
Yeah.
Really?
She's jealous.
Worried I'll marry Anan and Yan Yan's mom. I'll tell her. I already like someone. I'll give her some money to leave. The Fu family's doors aren't open to just anyone.
I knew it.
Since co-parenting is impossible, I'll find a chance to take the kids away.
Song Shuran. Show E is trouble. If you stay away from him, I'll consider it.
Mr. Fu, what we have is none of your business. I don't need your approval for whom I'm with. Cold jerk. I even liked you a little bit. You wouldn't even give me a child.
Song Shuran, you're drunk. I'll take you back.
Let go. I'm not drunk. Fu Jingsheng. You jerk. Pig head.
Sharp-tongued woman.
Don't go.
I'm so cold.
I fell for you.
Mom. You're awake.
Come have some hangover soup.
Mr. Fu.
The breakfast near your place is pretty good.
Yeah.
I've decided I'll come here for meals from now on.
What's Fu Jingsheng up to now? If we keep meeting every day, how am I supposed to secretly take the kid away?
Don't worry. You'll be fine. From now on, buy it for me every day.
Why don't you order delivery?
Because someone I like lives in this community.
Help! Why is he looking at me like that? No way. I'm a professional woman. I can't be swayed by men.
What? $500. Can't even buy song breakfast.
Well. Then. All right. Just for the $500, okay? Extra chopsticks, please.
This soy milk is good. Everyone should try it.
I don't drink sweet soy milk.
I don't eat cilantro.
I don't eat onions.
Soy milk should be original for optimal flavor.
Red bean zongzi is the best. Haha.
You guys. Even the habits are the same.
To be continued.
Coincidence. Just a coincidence. Oh no, it's time for you to go to kindergarten. Let's go, go, off to school.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Let's go.
Hey,
I'll handle this, Mr. Fu. Don't worry about it.
Get materials ready. Prepare the video conference notes soon.
Complete the job first. Gain Fu Jingsheng's trust. Then grab the chance to take the kids and disappear for good.
Mr. Fu.
Secretary Song, have a seat.
Okay.
Mr. Fu, what are you doing at Secretary Song's house?
Manager Joe. Song Shuran is my secretary. Do I owe you an explanation?
Fu Jingsheng never interacts privately with women. Could it be Fu Jingsheng interested in Shuran? I should have realized sooner. Mr. Fu, about the Africa project.
The Africa project. The company thought. You know the area well. They decided to have you liaise with Africa. You can leave tomorrow.
What if I say I don't want to? I just met Shuran again. I can't leave now. Otherwise, Shuran will never get back together with me.
You can choose not to go. But Fu Corporation doesn't need employees not following company arrangements.
Fu Jingsheng. You're going too far.
So what?
I quit. Fu Jingsheng. Don't think I don't know what you're up to. You're scared. You don't dare to face me head on. Am I right?
Fair competition. Manager Zhou, you were the one who called off the engagement. Have you forgotten?
Shuran. I know. Misunderstanding between us. I'll treat you well from now on. I'll take care of you. Hey. Hey, Shuran.
Ignore him. Song Shuran. With guys who just talk big. Don't you dare. Be foolish and get fooled.
Mr. Fu, we should head to the office.
Song Shuran. With me here. You and Joey will never happen.
Song Shuran.
Song Shuran.
The kids are enough for you. Men
Can't be relied on.
Song Shuran. Have you no shame? Song Shuran. Feeling smug, are you? Using your secretary role to sway people. Your skills in seducing men. Even I find impressive.
What's your point?
I'm just giving you a heads up. Mr. Fu and you. It's for fun. Give up already. Or else. You'll end up like before.
Song Muyao. Think everyone is like you. Getting emotional over a man. Stop being a simp and stay out of the way.
Song Shuran. I won't let you take Mr. Fu away. Hey Joey. Got something about Song Shuran. You'll want to hear this.
Mr. Fu, your coffee. Mr. Fu, I'd like to take a day off today.
Again with the day off.
Meeting Joey, aren't you? No way. Song, I'm paying your salary. Is it so you can take time off?
When do I take time off? You evil capitalist. Really think I sold out to you?
I made plans with Joey.
What's it got to do with him? It's not him. It's my true love.
Mommy,
Hi, babies. What's up?
I love mommy the most.
I want to date Mommy.
Sure, I'll date you next time, okay?
Secretary Song, doing well in business. Is easier than finding a good man. Besides, which man is more reliable than me? In Jing City, besides me. Who else can handle you?
Mr. Fu, what do you mean?
I mean, working hard is better than going on a blind date. You're at a career peak right now. Tonight, stay at the office and work late with me.
Fu Jingsheng.
I'm afraid he won't let me go.
I'll have to inconvenience.
An in and yen for now. Okay, got it.
Mommy, Daddy asked Uncle Ty to pick us up.
When are you coming to see us? Mommy will come see you when she's free.
How come I'm so lovable?
And Song Shuran can't see me? Ah Tai. Arrange a company checkup someday. Make sure to include an eye exam.
Hey, kids.
I miss you so much, Shuran.
Meet up? I'll pick you up downstairs.
Why is it you?
No need.
Today.
She's busy.
Fu Jingsheng, you.
No calls during work hours. Phones confiscated.
Since when is that a rule?
My rules now.
You.
Idiot. Just kidding. Come meet a client with me.
Meet a client? Why isn't the client here?
Should be soon.
Mr. Fu.
Your couple's special set is all ready. Enjoy your meal. Couples combo.
No.
We're meeting a client. Use couples combo. That's not right.
Actually, the client rescheduled. So this stuff is for us.
What a joke. Not funny at all.
This restaurant. It's Michelin 3-star. If you like it, I can order daily.
Made by Michelin chefs. Must be expensive. A meal here could buy a lot of kids' clothes.
Song Shuran. Do you really not get what I mean? Couple package. Couple restaurant. You're such a blockhead.
Mr. Fu, don't you have someone you like? Changed your mind so fast, huh?
How come you don't know? The person I like isn't you.
Fitting, right? More important than liking. We're too different. If we really got together, we'd just hurt each other. Mr. Fu, since we're not meeting a client today, I'll leave first.
Song Shuran. To you. What am I to you?
Mr. Fu, I won't ask for what's not mine. I'm leaving. Fu, what are you doing? So many people.
You're worried about me.
I'm just worried I'd die of embarrassment.
You feel absolutely nothing for me?
Fu Jingsheng, you.
Secretary Song. Heading to Shanghai soon. You won't see me around.
Go wherever you want. Just pay my salary on time. I'm leaving.
I'll see you off.
I'll take a cab myself. Thanks. Fu Jingsheng, put me down.
If you're not afraid of others seeing, I don't mind showing some love. The things I told you. When I'm back from the trip, I hope you can give me an answer.
Fu Jingsheng. Can we really be together? Fu Jingsheng's statement was true.
He really went to Fu City.
Assistant Atai, do you know anything about Fu Jingsheng going abroad this time?
Sigh. There's a problem with the company's supply. If this isn't handled well, we might lose billions.
The Fu Group is the leading industry. How could there be a problem with the supply?
Fu Jingsheng won't be back for a while. This might be my chance to leave with the kids.
Sigh. Secretary Song, these aren't issues we should worry about. Doing your own job well is the greatest respect for the boss.
Uh-huh.
Shuren. Let's meet tonight, okay?
Repeating, Joey. We have no chance.
Mr. Fu, Mr. Tai reporting to you. No anomalies with Secretary Song.
Go straight to the kindergarten and bring the kids back. Not sure if it'll work.
Shuren.
Joey, what are you doing here?
Shuren. I finally see you. You have no idea how many spies Fu Jingsheng planted around you to keep us apart. It was hard to shake them off. Come on, I'll take you away.
Joey, you're the one who needs to leave. You broke off the engagement when I got pregnant. Now that I've had the baby, why are you here?
Shuren. I love you. I couldn't bear another man touching you. But after leaving you, I realized a world without you is suffocating. Shuren. Come back to me. I can let go of the past.
What about the kid? What's your plan?
I knew Song Shuren couldn't forget me. The kid stays with someone else. If you miss them, we can visit anytime.
Joey, you disgust me. I'm not going with you. And I'm definitely not marrying you.
Were you looking at Fu Jingsheng?
What's it to you? Get lost.
You're mine.
This. Where is this? This. Could it be Joey locked me up? I just reunited with my 2 kids. Haven't seen them grow up yet. I can't die. Fu Jingsheng. Pick up the phone.
Secretary Son, Mr. Fu isn't in office.
What need, Atai? I've been kidnapped by Joey. Help me call the police.
I've worked like a horse at Fu's.
But I did get some benefits. You demoted me. Do you know how much I owe? Since you won't let me be happy.
I'll cut off your supply. Ha ha ha.
Mr. Fu has reported to the police. You should head to the hospital.
Tax evasion. Assault.
For the rest of your life.
You'll be stuck in prison.
Vice President, trouble. Song Shiran has been kidnapped.
What? Get me the earliest flight. I need to get back to Beijing immediately.
Hey.
Hope Atai reports it soon. Song Shiran. Why do you keep enticing my brother Jingsheng? If it weren't for you, I'd be married to him by now.
Song Muyao.
Stop dreaming.
Even without me, Fu Jingsheng.
Wouldn't marry a woman like you.
Joey. I'm telling you, let me go before it's too late. Pretend nothing happened.
Calm him first.
We'll talk once we're out.
Shuran. Do you take me for a fool? If I release you, you'll call the cops on me, right? Stop acting all high and mighty. I'll give you another chance. Leave Beijing with me. I'll let you go. Otherwise, I don't know what I might do. Like for example, you and Fu Jingsheng's 4 children.
How do you know?
Of course, I told him. Song Shiran. How dare you bear Fu Jingsheng's child and make him fall for you? You're not worthy at all.
Song Muyao, Joey, you're bastards. If you touch my child, I won't let you off as a ghost.
Watch me if I dare. Do you think this brat will answer the phone? You. Hello? Who are you? Who are you?
Don't. Song Muyao, don't touch my kids.
So, now, can you be with me properly?
Joey and Song Muyao.
Those 2 lunatics. I can't just sit around. Otherwise not just me in danger. Kids in danger too.
Joey. Let me go. I promise you. I'll only be with you, okay?
Really, Shuran? I knew it. You'd understand how I feel about you.
What are you doing? I said I would kill her.
Shut up. Who agreed with you? Didn't you hear Shuran wants to be with me? Don't get in the way. Almost done.
Useless.
Trying to run?
Looking for trouble?
Song Muyao, I'm warning you, this is illegal. If you dare touch me, Fu Jingsheng won't spare you either.
You still dare mention Fu Jingsheng? I'll kill you right now. When you're dead, Fu Jingsheng will be mine alone.
No.
Stop!
Brother Jingsheng. How did you know I was here?
Fu Jingsheng, help me.
Shuran, I'm here. Don't be scared.
Jingxing, you're here. That's great.
Song Shuran. Are you okay? Take care of Joey. And Song Muyao.
Song Shuran, this is all because of you. I'm going to kill you.
Watch out.
Send Joey and Song Muyao to jail. Inform Atai. I don't want to see them in Jing City. Okay.
Fu Jingsheng, you can't do this, Fu Jingsheng.
Shuran. Sorry. I'm late.
Mr. Fu. Thank you. If it wasn't for you today, I might just.
Song Shuran. Is your heart made of stone? Call Fu Jingxing when you need something. Call him Mr. Fu when you don't. Say Jingxing. Is it hard to say?
Mr. Fu. I'm sorry.
I don't want your apology. I want you to be okay. I want you to be safe. I want you to be with me. Song Shuran. You've been avoiding me. In your heart. You still can't forget about Joey. Even though he and Song Muyao hurt you.
That's not true. I don't like Joey.
Song Shuran. You've avoided me too many times. This time, I won't let you go. Get out of the car.
Mr. Fu, stop. We're in the car.
Mr. Fu. Do you know how worried I was when I heard about the kidnapping? Why have you been avoiding me? Do you think that? I have a kid. And that I'm tainted now?
No, it's not that. I just feel like we're not compatible.
Compatibility isn't up to you alone.
Mr. Fu. Please stop, Mr. Fu. I'm afraid I'll get pregnant.
He must never see the birthmark on my shoulder.
If you get pregnant, just have the baby. However many you have, I'll support them. There's no escape this time, Song Shuran.
Mr. Fu, your injury.
Right now. You're the most important.
Mr. Fu. Turn off the light. Ow, ow, ow. My back hurts so bad. Fu Jingsheng is a jerk. Don't let me see him again or I'll. Hey, Fu Jingsheng, why don't you close the bathroom door?
It's not like I haven't seen it before. Want to touch again?
He's got scratches on him. Did I do that? Hard but feels nice.
Feels good?
Well, I don't know.
Your expression earlier. That's not what I meant. So, you won't take responsibility?
I'm not, I didn't. You made the first move. You let me touch it first.
Alright. I'm not kidding you anymore. Do you still remember? When I first met you. Did you say anything? I will take responsibility for you.
I don't remember. Move aside, I need to wash up.
Then I'll help you. Let's review.
Fu Jingsheng. There's no way for us. Fu Jingsheng, there's no way, you.
As long as you disagree. Every time you say it. I'll kiss you once.
You. Fu Jingsheng. Take it easy.
Be good. I'll take responsibility for you. Shuran. Is that okay?
Fu Jingsheng is indeed great. If I sleep with him again, it's worth it. Once I leave with the kids, we might never meet again.
Hey. It's a call from Anan Yen Yen.
Hey, what's up, Daddy?
Yesterday, a stranger called me. I think I heard Mommy's voice. I'm worried. Do you know where she is? Daddy, I want Mommy.
Best, Daddy. We miss Mommy.
Alright. Mommy is right next to me. Kids miss you. Mommy.
Hi, kiddos. It's Mommy. Yay.
Mommy's with Daddy now. I miss you so much, Mommy.
Great job, Daddy. We'll be together forever.
No fighting. Mommy likes good kids.
Mommy.
You should marry Daddy soon.
Okay.
When Mommy agrees to Daddy's proposal, I will be Huan Huan and Lele's daddy. Mommy will be Anan and Yin Yin's mommy. We'll always be together from now on.
Daddy's so silly, Mommy is already our mommy.
Look.
Grandma even confirmed it for us.
Dummy Yan. Grandma said not to tell.
Who are you? Help me.
Shuran. Yin Yin said. Is it true?
Looks like I can't hide it. Yeah. 5 years ago, Song Muyao drugged me. I hooked up with a guy. And that guy. It was you. After you got pregnant, I planned to raise the kid alone. But unexpectedly, Song Muyao took Anan and Yen Yen away. So
all those years ago. The woman in that room. It's really you. Why didn't you say earlier? Shuran. We've wasted so many years. Will you marry me? Let's start over.
But we're not right for each other.
Didn't I tell you? Whether we're right or not, you're not the only one who decides.
Your injury.
Shuran. Better worry about yourself. I'll make up for these 5 years. All of them. Good afternoon.
Fu Jingsheng, can't you be more gentle? Hey, the kids?
Atai is taking care of them. They went to school. Now. They should be out by now. Right now. Focus on me. I thought you left. You don't know how worried I was about you.
Who left?
I'm just going for a walk.
What's this?
This
bracelet.
It's a family heirloom from Fu. Belongs to the lady of the Fu house. Shuran. Will you marry me?
I'm not as good as you think.
I'm not perfect either. Shuran. Would you give me a chance? Be my Mrs. Fu?
Hold on a second. Hey. What did you say?
Juan, Lele,
are all missing.
I went to pick them up from school today. They said an old man took them.
What do we do? Fu Jingsheng, were the kids kidnapped? Call the police.
Don't panic, Shuran. I should know where they are.
You know.
down by the bridge, ducks are swimming.
Come count them quick.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Mommy.
Are you having fun?
Mom,
You brought them all over without calling me.
I miss these guys. Hey, I called you, but you didn't pick up. So I took matters into hands. I brought them all here.
Open it.
This is the Fu family's badge of power. I'm giving it to you. Mom just has one request. In the future, let your wife bring the kids and visit often. Hurry up and get that marriage certificate. Make sure you seize the chance your mom made for you. Hurry up.
Let's go.
Where to?
Register our marriage.
I'm coming too.
Let's go together.
let's go.
Fu Jingsheng, why are you sneaky about getting your marriage certificate?
Worried the kids could cause chaos. You saw how excited they are.
Need to take wedding photos.
Getting a license with mommy.
We're taking wedding photos.
Getting a license with mommy.
Here come the newlyweds. A little closer.
A bit happier. Come on, smile.
Here we go.
3.
2.
Mommy, Daddy.
Tada.
Mommy, Daddy, we want to take wedding photos too.
Okay. Let's take them together. Yeah.
Come on, let's do it together. 3, 2, 1.
Yay.